welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a chocolate cake. It's my friend's birthday tomorrow, so I decided to make her this cake. Chocolate comes from a cacao tree, the actual seeds on the tree. The raw pure form is called the cacao beans. Now when you heat those cacao beans, you get the cocoa beans. When you buy chocolate, always look for a high percentage of cacao. It will be a higher quality chocolate. If you buy chocolate with 100% cacao in it, it will be very bitter and you probably won't like it that much. If you go for about 80 to 90%, it will be nice, not so sweet chocolate that you will enjoy eating in small bites. But enough about chocolate, let's go into the recipe. Add 4 ounces of cold water. Heat it on low until everything melts. In the meantime, prepare the dry ingredients. Now it's time to mix everything together. Pour this into the tin and bake it for an hour and 25 minutes on 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave to cool in the tin and then put it on a wire rack to let it cool completely. So we have time to talk about some benefits of chocolate. Chocolate has a lot of iron and magnesium. It also helps with inflammation in your body. Lastly, it also increases your dopamine, which is a chemical in your body that helps to lighten your mood. So now you know why you eat so much chocolate when you're sad. And now I show you how to make a chocolate ganache. Cut the cake into 2 or 3 layers horizontally. Sandwich the layers with a little bit of ganache. The rest of the ganache put on top of the cake and on the sides. Decorate the top of the cake with grated chocolate. Hey everyone, I just came back from the birthday party. It was a success. Everyone really liked the cake. You can find the full recipe in the description below this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe or comment. I would love to see your cakes as well. And until next time.